Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Guys, today's video is all about affordable skincare routine. I know skincare is now expensive, and most of you watching my videos are students and people who are looking for simple, affordable skincare routine to use and maintain a bright, glowing, radiant skin. So if you're a beginner or you're just looking for affordable skincare routine products that will help you maintain or achieve a bright, radiant, glowing skin, then make sure to stay, because all the products I'll be showing you in this video will help to brighten up your skin, maintain your skin, and give you a beautiful, radiant, smooth, glowing complexion. Like, guys, all those products are products you can get in your nearest cosmetic store. So let's dive right into it. Now, the first product you need to have in your affordable skincare routine, if you really want to have a bright, beautiful, glowing skin, is a body soap. Guys, there is no way you will be doing skincare and you are not washing your body. And I actually have the soaps. One soap that I love and I would definitely recommend you use if you're looking to achieve a bright, beautiful, glowing skin without breaking the bank, is this Asantee carrot with honey soap. So this is the soap right here. This is the soap right here. I'm going to put the price for you guys on the screen. This is one cheap and affordable bar soap that you can use on both your face and your body. Guys, this is a very nice bar soap that is going to help brighten up your skin, cleanse your skin of every dirt, oils, and makeup without drying out your skin. This particular soap is a really nice brightening soap. I use this in my skincare routine to maintain a beautiful, radiant skin tone. So if you cannot find this Asantee carrot with honey soap, you can get this Asantee papaya soap. You can get the Asantee papaya soap instead. Guys, this is also another affordable soap that will brighten up your skin. It retails at the price of 1,600 naira. So with 1,600, you can get any of those bar soaps and achieve a smooth, bright, healthy looking skin. All you need to do is to use this to have your shower. Like, you can bathe with this in your morning and nighttime skincare routine. Now, another cheap, affordable soap that I would recommend you use if you cannot get any of the Asantee soap I just showed you is this K Brothers papaya soap. Guys, this is also an excellent brightening soap that is cheap and affordable. So you can use any of the soaps to brighten and achieve that beautiful, radiant skin tone. Now, the simple trick on how to have that bright, glowing skin is to always use your soap, either your Asantee soap, while in the shower. Just pour water on your body, get your body sponge or hand glove, whichever one you use, and lather it with your bar soap and use it to properly cleanse your skin. Take your time while in the shower and cleanse your skin properly. And once you're done, the next or second product you will need in your affordable skincare routine for a glowing skin is a body scrub. And guys, one body scrub I would recommend you use is this Cool Spa turmeric salt scrub. Guys, this is one of the best body scrubs to use if you want to have a beautiful, radiant, glowing skin. See, don't let anyone deceive you that exfoliating is not important. Exfoliating is one way you can have a bright, beautiful skin. If you do not exfoliate your skin, you will notice that even your body lotion will not work better. So if you want your body lotion and other skincare products you apply to your skin to work 10 times better, try and add a body scrub in your skincare routine. And I really love the Cool Spa turmeric salt scrub. It has different range that you can use if you want to brighten and glow your complexion. This is a body scrub that is suitable for all skin types and is going to help get rid of all the dead skin cells that is stopping your skin from shining. You guys already know that it contains turmeric, and you guys know that turmeric is a brightening ingredient, so it's actually going to help brighten up your skin. Pairing this Cool Spa turmeric salt scrub with your Asantee papaya soap or your Asantee carrot soap or K Brothers soap is going to give you that maximum brighter, healthy skin. If you're a fair skin girly, a dark skin or chocolate skin, and you want to brighten and have a radiant looking skin, if you really want people complimenting your skin add this body soap and use this body scrub, your skin is going to become visibly bright and glowing in a matter of weeks. This cool spa turmeric salt scrub ranges from 3,500 to 4,000 or 4,500 depending on your location or where you're buying it from. Now, if you want to get the best results using your cool spa turmeric salt scrub, I would advise you wash your body first with your bar soap. Like, use it to wash your body, and once you're done washing your body, go in with the cool spa turmeric salt scrub while you're in the shower. Do not exfoliate your skin every day, please. Just exfoliate like 2 or 3 times weekly. Maybe if you exfoliate on Mondays, do not exfoliate on Tuesdays, exfoliate on Wednesday, do not exfoliate on Thursday, exfoliate on Saturday. So that is how you can exfoliate your skin. Now, once you're out of the shower, the next or third product you will need in your affordable skincare routine, if you really want to have and maintain a bright, healthy looking skin, is a body lotion. One body lotion I would recommend you use if you're on a budget and you really want to achieve a bright, healthy looking skin is this Vaseline Healthy Bright Brightening Protection Lotion. This is the body lotion right here. This is the body lotion right here. This is a very nice moisturizing lotion that will help you maintain a beautiful, bright, radiant, glowing skin. Guys, this is an affordable body lotion that you can use if you're a fair skin, a dark skin, or caramel skin. Like, it's going to help brighten up your skin and moisturize your skin. See, one secret to having a healthy looking skin is moisturizing your skin at all times. And this Vaseline Healthy Bright Lotion is one lotion you can use. Now, if you can't get this Vaseline, you can get the Nivea Radiant and Beauty Even Glow Body Lotion. This particular one with vitamin C is also going to help brighten up your skin and help you maintain a beautiful, bright, radiant skin. Or you can get this Nivea Perfect and Radiant Body Lotion. These body lotions are good and they will help you maintain a bright, healthy looking skin. So immediately you come out from the shower, you want to apply your body lotion on your body. Now, the next affordable skincare product you will need in your skincare routine if you're on a budget is a body oil. And one body oil I really love and I'll recommend you use is this Pears Baby Oil. And this is the body oil right here. Is a very nice body oil that is going to help moisturize your skin, maintain your skin, and glow your skin, and is actually pretty much affordable. This is a very nice body oil for anyone with a dry skin, normal skin. It's going to moisturize your skin and give you a beautiful glow on your skin. So once you're done applying your body lotion, you want to take a little amount of your Pears Baby Oil and apply on your skin. Now, if you can't get the Pears Baby Oil, or maybe you don't really like it and you're looking for another body oil that you can use, you can simply opt in for this Disaar Vitamin C body oil. Guys, this is another cheap, effective body oil you can use in your skincare routine to maintain a beautiful, radiant, healthy, glowing skin. Now, the last product I have for you guys in this routine is a sunscreen, and this Biore UV Watery Essence sunscreen is one affordable sunscreen I'll recommend you use if you want to maintain a bright, beautiful, healthy looking skin. Like, there is no way you would want a bright, beautiful, radiant skin and you're not using a sunscreen. So do well to also add a good sunscreen in your skincare routine. Now, that is simply it on your body care routine if you're on a budget. These are products that are affordable and will help to give you a beautiful, radiant body. Now, one tip I'm going to give you, if you can afford to splurge money on your skincare products, I would definitely advise you do. So you can add this Frusia shower cream and add in your skincare routine if you really want to brighten up your skin and glow your skin. Like using this in your body care routine with your Nivea body lotion or your Vaseline body lotion is going to give you a more brighter, healthy looking skin tone. Now, I already made a video on face care products that you can use both in your morning and nighttime routine and how to apply them. So you can do well to check out that particular video. I'm going to be linking it up here and also in the description box. for you to be able to check that out. So yeah, that is it on the easiest, affordable, simple body care routine and products you can use for our beautiful, radiant, glowing skin. So if you enjoyed watching this video, let me know which of these body products you have used and which one you're going to be trying out. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you got up to this point, you're the real MVP. Please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.